or traditionally known as Oliver salad from the land of Russia. But nowadays it is very popularly known as Russian salad. So let's look into the ingredient list now. To prepare Russian salad, today we'll be using 3 vegetables and 3 fruits. So to start off, I have 1 cup of celery sticks finely chopped, 1 cup of boiled potatoes and 1 cup of chopped carrots. Next I have a cup of pineapples, a cup of grapes, and today I am using the red grapes, and a cup of apples. For the dressing we need 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of sour cream. If you don't want to use sour cream, you can use yogurt instead, and 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce, and some salt and pepper to taste. So we'll start off by preparing the dressing. For that I am going to add in 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Next goes in the mayonnaise. And finally a teaspoon of mustard sauce. And I'm going to mix all the ingredients well. I'll also add in some salt and pepper, of course according to taste. And our dressing for the Russian salad is ready. And now we'll add in all the vegetables to our salad bowl. First goes in the celery, next the boiled potatoes, carrots. If you want to change the vegetables, you can according to your taste. Next goes the apples, grapes, and finally the pineapples. And I'm going to pour in my dressing now. And the final step, we are going to give it a good mix. And our Russian salad is ready. We are going to serve it now. My Russian salad is ready, and this is a great accompaniment with any kind of meat dishes. So friends, do give it a try and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.